Hi everybody, thanks so much for stopping by. I know it's been a while. Actually, I just had to spend some time to clean my desk off so that I can do my unboxing. This is my Creative Notions subscription box for August. And let's go ahead and open this up. I'm going to be careful because one time I was opening one of these bags and I cut the fabric. Careful. Usually I do this ahead of time, but like I said, I had to clean his face off to do this. All I could say is it looked like it was a blizzard in here from some of the crafting that had been going on over the weekend. That's all I could say. I can't say what all I was doing, but I was crafting and making Christmas gifts. So I know some of my my family watch, so I don't want to ruin the surprise. Anyhow, here we are. Look at this fun bag. I love these bags. Vicki and you guys, keep doing the bags. They're just so fun. Such a nice heavy weight, too. I'm going to figure out something to do with them. I think I could, like, decorate them. I could probably stamp on here, or I can use my embroidery machine on here, or I could do something and repurpose them. But I love them. So let's take a peek. Ooh. Oh. All right, love the bag. Okay, so let's see what we have. So first off, we have a little packet of Yum Yums, and we have a little strawberry on there. So I think that's an indication as to what's to come from what I see here in the little bag. So let's see. We have a paper straw that has strawberries on it. I love strawberries. And you know what, since starting the Weight Watcher program, strawberries, even though they have natural sugar in them, they're better because the carbs are lower. So I eat a lot of strawberries. I even put it in a spinach salad and love it. Ooh, these are so good. Strawberry lemonade, true lemon. These are really good. They're naturally flavored. I buy these in the bigger packs and make like a pitcher at a time. So I can make myself a little strawberry lemonade, sip it with my little straw, and look, we've even got a little umbrella that we can, make sure I don't tear it. So sometimes, you gotta be gentle with these things. Look at this cute little umbrella to put my little umbrella while I'm sipping my strawberry lemonade. I love that. And then we have a little strawberry candy too. These are yummy. Love those. All right, so that's a little indication as to what's coming, I believe. This little guy is just too cute. Too stinking cute. And I love how they have everything that color coordinates, and it's theme related, so that's so fun. So, let's see. Let's leave the fabric for last. Zappy Dots, home of the Stitch Dots and Quilt Dots. Needle nannies, scissor fobs, ceramic magnets, needle tins, interchangeable magnetic jewelry, custom dots, handmade with your creations in mind. ZappyDots.com. Okay, well, something belongs to the Zappy Dots. Perhaps what's in this little box, maybe? We will see. Oh, look how cute, a little recipe card. It looks like somebody handmade these. These are too cute. I love those. I remember years ago, nowadays, everything's electronic, but right now, all these recipe cards. I actually had, for my bridal shower, we're going back how many years, a recipe tree, which was really cool. And when we sent out the invitations for the shower, we sent a recipe card, and then each person, when they're coming to the shower, they were to write out their favorite recipe and bring it to the shower. And then I had a tree, which was just basically a huge, dead branch that we spray painted white and tied little ribbons on, and with little paper clips we hung them from the tree, and it was a recipe tree, which was fun. So that reminds me of that, which, well, that was many years ago. But anyhow, that's cute. Thank you. And let's see, Creative Notion subscription. Let's celebrate. Look at this. Ooh, oh, strawberry pretzel salad. Oh my goodness. If you have not had this, you need to make this. The This is one of my family's favorites. So how great would that be to write that on there and you know, to give it to my kids. You know, they love it too. It's like almost tradition. Every Christmas we make this. It's just so yummy with the pretzel crust. Oh my goodness. And it's so easy. Anybody can do it. So we have strawberry recipe salad. And this is a recipe by Batilda. It's dessert, but it isn't too sweet nor too salty. It's real pretty when you put it in a clear oven-proof dish. And real simple to make. So look at the back of that. And look at this fun little fold-out. Oh my goodness. You guys, you have really stepped it up. So look at. Here's your package value for August. It comes to $59.64. So we have 8 fat quarters at $3 each. A strawberry pincushion pattern. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. I want to make one of those. Quilt dot and needle tin. Okay, didn't get to that yet. A zinger. I'm not sure what that is. Dritz glass head pins. Okay, so that's these. Ooh, look how cool that is. Let's open that up. And then we have lots of extras, which are just for fun. So the value of this box is $59.64, and I believe the subscription is only $35. So look how cute these are. Oh, look, it has a little thing that you could even hang them. That's cute. I love those. I love those little knobby things too, because if you're like me, you fumble with your fingers. You know, getting older it's not fun, but I know we don't come alone. Please join us in welcoming Zappy Dots to our monthly subscription. Okay. Zappy Dots, also known as Quilt Dots, has many designs and styles of jewelry, especially designed to show off their fun and whimsical products. Each package you receive from Creative Notions this year will include a Zappy Dot, and each quarter a new piece of jewelry will be featured in our subscription. We hope you enjoy using and wearing these fun quilting designs throughout the coming year. You can check them out at www.zappydots.com. Okay, so that's what this card is from. So that's to come yet. So the beautiful fabric this month is called Rhapsody by Sedef Immer for Riley Blake Designs. You can find Sedef on her blog at downgravevineland.com and on Instagram. On Facebook, she's also the designer of this month's pattern called Maxie's Strawberry Pincushion. Check out our YouTube channel for instructional videos, kids sewing, and more. Find us on Instagram at Creative Notions Quilt Shop and Facebook.com/Creative Notions. Join our Facebook group for show and tell and informal fun. Share your creations, finishes, and UFO completions for chances to win throughout the year. And then, okay. Oh, they started out with 60 boxes and prayed they would all sell. They were gone within days. Wow. I can't believe how we touched so many people, but just by simply doing what we do. So thank you, Vicky, Jeff, Bob, Joanne, Jacob, and Arlie. Well, no, thank you guys. You guys do a wonderful, wonderful job. Okay. I love the trifold flyer here. So here is the pattern. So is that... Okay, so the pincushion pattern sells for $12. Seems a little bit pricey, but it looks super cute. So there it is, and look how big it is. It's like the size of your hand. Maxie Strawberry. Oh, okay, here's a full color picture. Oh, look how cute they look in a bowl. This is page 4 of 5. Look at me jumping already to the end. Okay, so let's see. Okay, well this looks simple enough. I believe I can do this. Now, oh, you put fiber fill. Oh, we're good. I got that. Well, I'm going to make these. There's not too much instructions. Okay. And there's that. And that. Oh, wait, something else. Oh, here's the pattern. I can use this on my scan and cut to cut this out. But, yeah, that's fun. I'm going to make one of those. And when I do, I will share it with you. Okay, so, okay, I'm going to go to the box first. Well, look at the fabric glass. It looks beautiful. Beautiful, as usual. Creative Notions, you guys just put together the best subscription box ever. I've had other subscription boxes, and I have to say, you guys are my favorite. Oh, so look, we have some confetti. We're like celebrating a party in here. Woohoo! And let's see what we got. What's this? Oh, we have some shreddy, fancy. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it's a little lanyard. How cute is that? And look at it, matches the fabric. Oh, you guys. Oh, that's super cute. Okay. Oh, and we're kind of stuck here. We have some confetti. We have little happy birthday. How did you guys know? A couple days late, but it was July, but thank you. I think you guys are celebrating your 1 year birthday. Creative Notions. I believe that's what I saw on Facebook. Vicki had posted on there. Okay, so look at this cute little strawberry. And I heard through the grapevine that Vicki actually makes all these little things, all these little handmade things that you see. She actually makes all of these. So she is quite a talented lady. Alright, I don't want to ruin it, but this is super cute. I'm going to save that for a pattern. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, so this is from the, this must be the Zinger? The Zinger? Yeah, from the Zinger, the Zappy Dots. So look at this. It has a little, it's a little clip. So if you have a badge or something, you know, you can clip this and wear it on, you know, a lanyard with your badge. I don't have to wear a badge because I work for a small company. But look at how cute that little pin cushion is. It goes on here. And I would imagine you can even clip that on here. Maybe that's what this is for. And look at that. So you could clip this on your shirt. You can wear it or on your lanyard. That is super cute. And I have little pins. Of course I have pins stuck in my my wall here. My little push pins. And I'm going to hang that on there. That is super cute. And look at that. You should make these. These little lanyards are cute. They'd be nice to put your keys on. Make shorter ones. Super cute. And Happiness is Homemade. And I believe this is to keep your little, because I believe every month now we're going to be getting one of these little Zappy Dots to stick on there. And I believe this little box, I think it slides, there we go, is to store them in. Because they're magnetic, so it'll stick to it. See? Hello. Super cute. I love that. And I know we're not going to be getting the little charms anymore, but these are like super fun. I love that. Alright, let's take a look at the fabric. I got about 2 minutes left because I jibber-jabbed too much. But look at how beautiful this fabric is. Of course, we've seen this on the lanyard. And here's another, like a chevron. Look at that. Pretty. Oh, look at this. This is stunning too. You guys, I love the fabrics. Look at how they go so well together. Here's a cute little, like a buttercup yellow. And here we have, this is almost like a lipstick. Not a true red, a little bit less than red, but like a strawberry color with little dots on it. And I love this. I love all these little dainty flowers. And here we have another one. And the last one. So I think you guys went above and beyond. If you do not subscribe yet to Creative Notions, you need to do it right now. Just go to their website, sign up, and you won't be sorry. So thank you guys for putting together a fabulous box for August. I can't wait to get started on the strawberry pink cushions, and everything's beautiful. Thanks so much, everyone. Bye for now.